We're here to talk to you today about using the PowerSchool Parent Portal. First, you'll want to navigate to the Burlington School District website. Click on the PowerSchool button at the top right corner in order to sign in. Here you'll enter your username and password and click the sign in button. Once you've logged into the parent portal, here you'll see a navigation menu on your left and at the top a list of students that are connected to your account. In order to add a new student to your account, you'll want to scroll down to Account Preferences in the left navigation menu. Click on the Student tab and click the Add button. Here you will add the student's name as well as the access ID and access password. This is information that you should have received via email from PowerSchool after you completed the pre-registration form. Click OK once you have entered that information, and you should see your new student added to the top bar. Some other things that you can do here in the PowerSchool Parent Portal, if you select one of your students, using the navigation menu, you can fill out registration forms. If you're registering a new student or a kindergarten student, you'll want to look for that category of forms. And if you have a student returning to the district, you'll want to look for the category of forms 2024-2025 returning student registration. Once you have found the forms, you can go ahead and click on the first form. Complete all required information. This is indicated with the red asterisk. And then hit Submit. This will navigate you to the next page. Another helpful feature that we'd like to point out, in the left navigation menu, you can click on My Schedule, and here you will see your student's schedule and the assigned teacher. If you would prefer to use a smartphone or tablet to access a parent portal, you can download the PowerSchool app through the Apple Store or Google Play and make sure you enter the district code KKPC. If you have any trouble logging into the PowerSchool parent portal, if you have forgotten your username or password, you can select that option at the login page. First, make sure you recover your username and then recover your password. Additionally, if you do not have a parent portal account set up, you can click the Create Account tab, and here you will select Create Account, and you will fill out the information here in order to set up your PowerSchool parent portal account with Burlington School District.